Hey flawless fam, welcome back to Curly Flaws. It's your girl Aishi here. Today's video topic is Rakhi special. As we all know, Rakhi is a festival of friends and family gathering where all sisters tie Rakhi to their brothers, and we all women love to dress up for that special occasion. Some want a very simple and elegant and classy look. So our today's video will help you to get the reference about makeup and outfit that will help you in your Rakhi outfit. So let's get started with the video. First we will be starting with the base makeup with smoky eyes, as smoky eyes can go with any look like traditional, your western or your Indo-western. So first start with the moisturizer. Next step, primer. Next step, foundation. Now let's move to the eyes. We will be giving them a smoky effect. So let's get started. As we have done eyeshadow, now let's move to the eyeliner. blush. Now let's set our base or makeup with the setting spray. And for the lipstick, I will be choosing lipstick according to my outfit. So my basic or my makeup is done. Now let's move to the outfit. So outfit 1, we will be starting with a minimal outfit. If you don't want to wear a heavy suit or sharara, you can take a kurta with some embroidery on it. Like I have, let me show it to you guys. Like I have this green color kurta with some golden contrast on it. I will pair this kurta with a black color trouser. I can also pair it with a golden palazzo or a pant, as it have a contrast of golden, but I want my kurta to look attractive in my whole outfit, so that's why I am pairing it with my black pants. So let me get it changed and I will meet you in 1 minute. So this is my outfit. Now let's accessorize my outfit. Before accessorizing it, let's apply some lipstick. Now let's move to the accessories. With these jhumka with a golden contrast, a watch and some rings. So now this is my final minimal look. I hope you guys like this. Now let's move to our second look. Now let's move to the second outfit. If you want a little heavy outfit, that you can then you can go for a 3-piece suit or a anarkali. Like I will be wearing a black 3-piece anarkali. Let me show it to you guys. This is the dupatta, and the anarkali is this. I got this outfit from Lajpat Nagar around 1 year or 6 months ago. Now let me wear it. So this is my outfit or anarkali. Now let's accessorize it with some jhumka. Now apply a little bit brown lipstick. Now this is my second outfit, as you can see this. Now let's move to the outfit number 3. This outfit will be going to simple yet elegant. This outfit I got from Myntra. This is the underpart, and this is the upper strut. I got this outfit like 3 to 4 months ago and I still didn't remove it tag. Let's change it. What can I do? So this is my outfit. Now let's accessorize it with some earrings and diamonds. I'll be wearing these. I will be wearing these jhumkas. I bought them from Lajpat. bangles. So this is the outfit. Now I want, if you don't want to create this in an ethnic look, you can also try this in a Indo-Western. Let me show it to you guys. For Indo-Western look, I will be styling this with this and black trousers. So let me give it a try. I'll be back in a minute. So this is the outfit I want to try in an Indo-Western with an Indo-Western touch. Now let's exercise with some necklace and remove my earrings. This is the Indo-Western look I was talking about. If you don't want a heavy or a traditional look, you can also wear this look if you want. So this was the end of our video. So this was the end for our today's video. I hope this video helped you out in your makeup and outfit for Rakhi. If you guys like this video, give a like and comment down your favorite part and new ideas in the comment section. Subscribe for more new tricks and tips. Follow me. Follow me on Instagram. My ID is @curly_flaws. Till then, keep going. Bye bye.